What it's got to say about construction workers. Cause what will Danny do? Is that very funny? What will Danny do? So let's look. So
yeah.
what is a construction worker? A construction, C-O-N-S-T-R-U-C-T-I-O-N, worker is someone whose job it is to work on a construction site where structures such as bridges or houses are being built. Construction workers use many different types of tools such as spades and wrenches, and operate machines and vehicles such as trucks and bulldozers. Working as a construction worker can be dangerous because a person could fall or have a heavy object fall on them. Construction workers have to wear safety clothing to protect themselves, such as leather work boots with a metal toe called safety boots, plastic construction hats or helmets, and goggles to protect their eyes. Many construction workers... Why are you shouting? Many construction workers also wear brightly colored orange safety vests so that drivers and other construction workers will be able to see them. Objects of structures are bridges, buildings, dams, or towers. But construction workers also help to build airports, railway lines, roads, and tunnels. So let's keep reading. However, there are many construction jobs that don't mean you work on a construction site. Okay, so we can do all kinds of construction jobs. We can build bridges, we can help fix roads, we can build houses, we can fix people's windows. Lots of building.
We still busy?
Lots of building involved.